Guys, welcome to the channel. If you're not already a subscriber, make sure to hit the subscribe button for new videos every single week. The Ordinary is one of a number of beauty and skincare brands owned by Toronto-based company Serum. The company's products do sometimes cross between brands, but each brand is aimed at a specific audience and with a particular price point. The Ordinary is their budget line, but don't let that put you off, as they do produce some amazing products that are also super affordable. What sets The Ordinary apart from any other major brand is that the majority of their products have one main active ingredient in an affordable and simple to use format. The idea is that you choose the specific elements you need and mix them together. That way you get what you want without unwanted extras and can tailor your regime precisely. Their products do not contain parabens, sulfates or many other ingredients that have the potential to be harmful. And speaking of harm, none of their products are tested on animals, which is a big plus point for me. The downside of The Ordinary is that unless you do a fair bit of research, it can be confusing. The official website is clean and easy to use if you know what you want, but some feel it has a clinical feel and it's not always clear how to build your routine. I shall be making videos that explain how to combine their products for specific skincare routines in the future, but in this review I shall be looking at their multi-purpose serum, Buffet. This is a serum that's marketed as targeting multiple signs of aging, being based on an amino acid base with 5 different protein complexes. It also contains hyaluronic acid and probiotics and Mitrixyl 3000, which has been shown in studies to stimulate the production of collagen. Now, collagen is vital in preventing the loss of elasticity of the skin and thereby reducing the formation of wrinkles. Collagen has also been shown to reduce inflammation of the skin, such as eczema, acne and psoriasis. Other elements in the Buffet are claimed to relax the muscular contractions that can also lead to fine lines. Like many products in the Ordinary range, it comes in a 30ml bottle with a dropper cap. The liquid is clear and slightly gel-like. Application is very simple and should be done after applying your toner while your skin is still damp, as it helps the absorption. If you're not using a toner yet, see my Skincare Basics toner video to explain why you should, which to use and how to use one. Put 2 or 3 drops of serum in the palm of your left hand, if you're right-handed. Dip your fingers into the product and then gently smooth it over your face and neck until it is all absorbed. It does feel slightly tacky, but if it feels very tacky, then it's likely you're using too much product. After it's absorbed, you're ready to follow up with your moisturiser and, if you're using it in the morning, your sunscreen. Using it morning and night, this little bottle should easily last a couple of months. You should avoid using other acid or retinol products at the same time as this. It's not easy to evaluate an all-purpose serum, as its aims are more generalised than a specific product. The product contains elements that have been shown through scientific studies to have measurable results on the skin, and this is perfect for someone who wants to include a serum in their daily routine for general benefit. At around £13, it's crazy cheap for a serum and definitely worth trying. But if you have a specific need, a more targeted serum is the way to go, for instance vitamin C. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please take a moment to give it a thumbs up. I produce new videos every single week, so if you're not already part of the community, click the subscribe button here and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. Follow me on social media and let me know via Twitter or the comments section if you have any grooming questions or a product you'd particularly like me to review. Thank you for visiting the channel, and you can see more videos right now.